treating experience. Yeah, and products. First, I will introduce for our company history. For 2002, we are established, and we are for Shanghai REHOME. Our name is full name is Shanghai REHOME Enterprise Co Limited, and we have our brand for REHOME, REHOME. REHOME, return home, enjoy life. This is a beautiful meaning. And in 2004, we are have a PPR line, and we are producer for PPR products for the normal PPR product. And next year we are for the new products for the PPR products. And for the 2006, we are also developed the new products for the HDPE products. And this is for the HDPE pipe, and just this is for the PPR for the green color. Yeah. And all of the desk is for the PPR. For the green color is PPR fittings, and black color is HDPE fittings. Socket fusion fitting, and electrical fusion fitting, and our PP fittings. And 2008, we are established for the office, and it is because Russian market for the PPI is very big market for our trading to there. And in 2013, we are get obtained the first phase of the Shanghai Disneyland Park. So we are it's very long time for the phase. It's a very big project. Yeah. And from now on, we are establishing new big team for the trading, and we are also give fast feedback to our customer inquiry, and good quality for our customer. And next part, I will talking for the products for the PPR pipe and fittings. You can see for the samples of the PPR pipe, they are 20 to 30 centimeter. You can see on the markings on it. You can see the REHOME brand and PPR pipe for the material, and S2.5 is our pressure, and next is our PN20, and just our outline meter is 25 millimeter, and 4.2 millimeter is our thickness, and also is our DIN 8077 is our standard for the Germany, yeah. And also we have ISO standard in international organization, ISO 15874, yeah. Yes, you can see we have a we have a cold water and hot water for PPR pipe. You can see the strip of the white color is our for cold water, and red color is our hot water supply. And also, I am talking for the you can see the PE HDPE pipe of the sample. You can see the blue strips is our is for the cold water water supply. Yeah, cold water supply. And cold water and thicker. Hot water is thicker than cold water. Yeah. So you can see the PPR inner line is very smooth. So the material of the PPR is very we have used the raw material 1% raw material, yes, and it's a very good quality, yes. And just we are talking for the PPR pipe and the HDPE pipe samples. And the next is our for the PPR fittings. Yeah, you can see PPR fitting for the green color and white color. You can see. And I have just for the screen, you can see I have introduced our company. First, that's REHOME, yes, REHOME, Shanghai REHOME Enterprise Group Co-Limited. Yes, we are in the Fengtian district and Shanghai city and Fengtian district. Yes, this is our tree. Yeah. And you can see this is our gate of our factory, and you can see this is a SHRH, and Shanghai REHOME is our Chinese name. Yeah, and this is our office of the factory. Yeah. And you can see it's REHOME. And you can see this is our meeting for the production, for the fittings of a meeting of how to make a good quality of the fittings. And also you can see this is our sample room. Yeah, sample room. And you can see this is our how to connect the PPR pipe and the fittings, and for the cold water and the hot water system. And this is our I have saying for our history of our company. Yeah. And this is our domestic market certificate and our foreign treat certificate. Yeah. Yes, and different color of the PPR pipe we can custom for our customer. Yeah. And you can see green color and white color and green color and blue color and orange color and yellow color, yeah, and purple color. Yeah, I think it's very beautiful for the different colors. And this is for HDPE fittings and PPR fittings. And this is our PPR material from import from Dubai, and we are also have our Chinese material. And you can see this is the material of the PPR. This is the color, and you can mix it and produce it, and you can smell it, melding these two mixture, and with a hot temperature. Yeah. And you can see this is how to put out and push out the HDPE pipe for green color, and now it's it's very hot, so we need to cooling it and the shape of the size. And the next is our cooling. After cooling, we are using marking for our information for our company, our production time, our size, and thickness and the brush rate. Just for the samples of the pipe. You can see the standard here. And the production time is yes. And this is the automatic of the fittings. How no need a man. Yes, they can do it by machine. Yeah, this is our technology manager to how to test the size. And this is for our PPR fitting machine for how to machine. Yes, and 22 machines to produce the PPR fittings. Yes, next is our HDPE workshop, and you can see this is for our how to produce a PRT and our HDPE pipe. Yes, you can see the HDPE pipe can roll the 100 meter per row and 200 meter per row and 300 meter if you need it. Yeah, and this is our technical department how to test fittings and the pipe. Yes, this is the machine how to test the pipe and fittings.
人要进去。
And this is how to test the pressure rate and test the pipe is can be as a good be as a big pressure rate. It's very important for water and test this to prove our quality is good or not. And this is for the HDPE pipe workshop, you can see. And okay, and you can see this is our how to connect the welding machine and with our pipe and the fittings for the big size. Yes, you can see this is for the 200 millimeter. How to connect the pipe and fittings, and this is a machine to melt the. Yes, this is our package of the fittings for all the of our fittings. And just I have I have talking for the PPR fittings like all the desks, but the fittings are not. It's very short of the fittings we can do for the PPR fittings. You can see this is for our PPR coffee and PPR reducing T and PPR 45 degree L. And this is for the PPR end cap, and this is for the PPR 90 degree L, and this is for the PPR female thread T, and this is for the PPR male thread T and PPR reducing coupling and the PPR male threaded elbow, and this is for the PPR female threaded coupling, and this is for the PPR male threaded coupling, and this is our PPR screw ends, and this is for the female threaded elbow and PPR male threaded elbow with disc, and this is for the PPR male threaded union, and this is our PPR female elbow, and this is for the PPR bridge. Yes, this is for the PPR union, and this is for the PPR tension pipe clamp. And this is for the PPR blend adapter, and this is for the PPR bench. Yeah, and this is for the PPR stop valve, and this is for the releasing T, and this is for the PPR double and valve, and this is a PPR flatted pipe clamp, and this is for the PPR Q type clamp, and this is for the PPR female threaded T. And this is union for, and this is for the double and female threaded and elbow home threaded, and this is a quick connecting elbow, and this is for the quick connecting elbow coffee coating, and this is for the brass ball valve, and this is a stop valve, and with crown handle, and this is for the main single and the wall, and this is for the female single and wall. And this is a flatted, this is for the saddle, and this is for the welding machine, and this is a pipe cutter. Yeah. For the welding machine is for the soft fuse. We have a range of the three types for the 22 20 to 32 millimeter, and 40 to 75, yeah, and 90 to 110. We can do. And for the pipe cutter, I think this is for the 20 to 40 millimeter. Yeah. Yes. And for the fittings, you can see. And you can see, we can see the stop wall. It's very heavy, and you can see we can do PPR pipe and PN 20, and the size is 32. Yeah, it's very heavy. Yeah, and you can see this is for the PPR reducing T, and this is for the male elbow. Yeah, male elbow, and this is a reducing coping. Yeah, reducing coping, and you can see this is a 25 plus 20. Yeah, and PPR material and S 2.5. Yeah, and PPR elbow. Yeah, for elbow, and you can we can see the if you check the PPR good or not, you can